Hey guys, this is just a quick update video to follow up on the first video I did on the Tesseract versus the Can-Am trunk box. I've spent now 5 days up in sort of northern Ontario here doing some hard rock riding, a lot of mud, a lot of water, and this trunk box is held up perfectly. The mounts that I was a little bit leery about held up extremely well. The box didn't move at all. It's very solid. 2.5 hour drive to get up here, no issues with it on the trailer, and bouncing around on some of the worst rock we've ever been on for 5 days straight, and the box hasn't moved. You can see the amount of mud that we got into, and I'll pop it open as far as the seal and show you the inside. We hit a lot of dust as well, as you can see, like just the latches, the dust flying off there. Inside, yeah, everything is spotless. Like there's not a speck of dust anywhere inside. So the seal is very good, no water, everything's perfectly clean. Like the inside of the lid, no dust or anything on it. So I'm very happy with the box. The fact that it opens from the driver's position takes a little bit of getting used to. It's a little bit more inconvenient when you're off the machine than a box similar to my old one there on my old machine where it opens from the back. But once you have it open, it's pretty easy to use. So anyway, just wanted to post that follow-up video and say that after some heavy use for a week, put probably almost 300 kilometers of trail riding on the machine this week, and the box was on there and held up perfectly. So overall, if you're looking for a solid box, really looks good. Quick disconnects to the link system, and it's a little bit more expensive than the Can-Am box, but I guess you get what you pay for compared to the 130 liter Can-Am box for close to the same price. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.